I'm wearing the boots that got caught. See, this one is like shaved off. It's shorter. It's a little better now. Just took it to my favorite spot. You know, we're in Great Falls right now. Look at C8. Real nice. Right? I'm in this like little parking area, like park. This is like the spot I visit a lot. So if y'all ever see this in the Nova area, this is like Great Falls. You take like the Maryland exit, like the Great Falls exit, and you just go turn right, and you keep right, go straight down past the high school, the middle school, or something like that. I forget. I don't know what school it is. I forget. I passed it like so many times, and I don't even know what it is. But like, yeah, I just chill right here a lot. We can have like a meet here one day, you know, but like, not really, because I don't want to disturb people. But I'm really respectful. I don't really do too much here. I don't ride crazy. I just like to go here because there's like big ass houses, man. I like to like look at the houses down there and like, you know, just check out what I wish I could afford. Because apparently like these houses are like owned by like basketball players, you know, football players, shit like that. So it's like the 1%ers, not us, you know. Yeah, I just wanted to take a ride out. It's a little nice today. Not too nice, but you know, nice enough. Guys, I turned 30 on March 12th, man. It's a bit of a, I guess, like revelation for me, man, because I'm feeling a little weird. Because mentally, I still feel like I'm like, you know, 24, 25, 26. But really, another biker. I think it's a girl. But yeah, I just feel, I don't even feel 30, man. Is this how the 30-year-olds back then felt too? Like y'all that are now 30, like past 30, did you guys feel like this too? Because I don't, when I first started this channel, like when I first like started uploading consistently, being like, you know, Steel Flex or whatever, I was I think I was like 25, 26 or something like that. So maybe that's why I still feel like dude, I'm so sore. Sorry, I have ADHD. I'm so sorry. I like moved out my my girlfriend's sister yesterday out of their house, or out of their apartment to their house. I'm sore as shit. But anyway, I still, on the note of that, I just see, I'm so sore. I still feel like I'm like 24, but really I am not, because my bones and my muscles are saying, no, you're not the same, brother. So yeah, man, I don't know. My birthday is March 12th. If anybody got the same birthday, that's dope. But I'm posting this like way before my birthday, so it'll be this Thursday coming up. The big 30, man. 30, dirty 30. Langley, my bad, it's Langley. I knew it, I just like keep forgetting. See a lot of rich people here, man. Everybody got no cares here, you know, convertible top down type of feel, you know. Type of feel, you know what I'm saying? see these houses with like all the driveways, dude. Like, it gets crazier on the other side too, which is, I don't know how. Just a calm ride, man. You know, the older I'm getting, I'm just calm, you know, unless I really just want to feel the power sometimes, but I don't really care. Another biker here. How you doing? Is that way? Okay, I don't know. Is there an easy pass way here? I don't think so. Sorry. There you go. Thank you. I am not. Guys, do you see that? What is this? What is all this? not sitting in this. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, we're not going that way. Look at everybody. What's going on? They had a U-turn. Every time I'm next to like a homeless dude or something like that, I get a little like, you know, sad. But you know, I don't want to say like negative things, you know, like and be like, oh, he was there for a reason. Like, I get it, he probably was, and he probably won't ever change, but he probably doesn't have like a support system that help him change, you know. So, bro, everybody's been wearing these sweats lately, like those little flowy sweats. They're from like, what's that? It's like the company that starts with an A or something, like that brand, that nice sweat brand or something. I don't even know.